Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, greetings of the day and a very warm welcome to Indu's Academy of Biology and Medicine. Myself, Dr. Indumati Somsundram, founder director of IABM, like to present over here the results of quiz competition conducted on behalf of Teachers Day on 5th September 2020. I know that you all are waiting for this most excited moment, but however, due to huge participation and number of participants in each category, it took time for us to evaluate and then give you the results. Before I declare the results in each category, I would like to highlight a few things. First of all, I would like to thank all the participants for taking effort in making this event a grand success. Thank you one and all. And I also congratulate all participants who've been sincerely taken this serious to know what you know on biology and taken up this test. And I also congratulate all the top scorers. If you are not among the top scorer, that doesn't mean that you don't have knowledge, or that doesn't mean that you are not successful. It is a competition, and we all know that in competition, I again and again repeat, one has to win and one has to lose. So is how this competition as well. So those who are not into top scorer list, that doesn't mean that you are not successful or you're not doing a good job. So you have now analyzed what is your score. Every one of you know what you are and what is your knowledge in biology, and this is the time that you can self-analyze and improve yourself. And IABM would provide this opportunity again and again, coming up with more webinar series, more quiz competitions, and more of elocutions, essay writing, group discussions, and so on and so forth. So please stay tuned in IABM Space Online Bio Indu's Academy of Biology and Medicine YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe to the channel for prior notification, and also kindly join our Telegram page IABM Online Bio. This Telegram page would give you all prior notifications of all the events of IABM. Now, before I declare the results, I would like to emphasize one thing. What exactly happened was, there are many students who have attempted multiple times. Since once you attempt this particular test, you are going to know your score and the answers. So when you already know the answers and when you are trying to attempt the second time or third time, then definitely you will improve in your score. For example, if somebody is got just 35 out of 125, when you are doing a second attempt, you are scoring 65. And when you are doing a third attempt, you are scoring 125 out of 125. But that doesn't mean that you are a top scorer, right? Since you know the answers and you are giving multiple attempts, that is good that you are improving your score by understanding the answer and re-attempting. But when it comes to competition, we would not be able to consider such multiple attempts. So those who have attempted multiple times, I have considered only the first attempt answer, and multiple time answers are not considered. So based on this, right now, without wasting a single minute, let me declare the results. All the very best to all participants, and congratulations to all participants and all winners. So once again, congratulations, and all top scorers, kindly contact me in WhatsApp or Telegram at 8788382033, because all top scorers are going to have a special award which I would be announcing at the end of this video. Now let me announce without wasting a time. I once again repeat, all top scorers, please do contact me either in WhatsApp or in Telegram with your name, with your category, and with your score and details of you, so that I will be able to contact you back for giving your award, right? Okay, so let's get started up. Category 1. Under category 1, I would announce top 3 scorers first and then rest of it. And what happened was, in some categories we couldn't get 10 top scorers, but in category 2 we got so many participants, so I have considered 15 top scorers in category 2, 10 top scorers in category 1. Whereas in rest of the categories I have only chosen 5 top scorers, because all the performances were not up to the mark and participants were less, and we couldn't select top 10 scorers among that. And that is the reason in category 2 I have chosen 15 top scorers. Okay, so now category 1, please pay attention. Category 1, the top scorers, winners are as follows. Saurabh Pratap Singh, Sachin Pratap Singh, Sushmita Mahadev, Siddhi Hamble, Kinisha, Chandan Ghosh, Saugita Sarkar, Shahanur Islam. These are all the participants of category 1. But to mention a note about one particular person, Mohammed Wasim Ashraf. Mohammed Wasim Ashraf, you have done a great job, but since you have not filled the quiz on time, I will not be able to consider you on top scorers because this is a time bound thing and we have considered only those who have filled and sent the form within 5 p.m. of September 5th. So congratulations to Mohammed, but you will not be able to receive the award. However, hearty congratulations for the wonderful performance and you will be receiving your e-certificate. I repeat, category 1 students, please pay attention. Saurabh Pratap Singh, Sachin Pratap Singh, Sushmita Mahadev, Siddhi Hambe, Kinisha Chandan Ghosh, Saugata Sarkar, Shahnur Islam. These are the top scorers of category 1. Now coming to category 2. Category 2, Manoj, you've scored 125 upon 125. All the very best and hearty congratulations. Manoj, Chaitra, Roshan Krishna, Shanata MB, Suryavamshi Sarita, Priya Pandey, Payal Chandra, Adhyasha Pujari, Shivam Kumar, Stuti Roy, Shanmuga Priya, Nalia Fatima Ansari, Dakshata Rao, Vidya Acharya, Kinjan Mazumdar. These are the people who've been selected under category 2. I'll repeat all the winners of category 2. To start with, Manoj, Chaitra, Roshan Krishna, Shanta MB, Suryavamshi Sarita, Priya Pandey, Payal Chandra, Adhyasha Pujari, Shivam Kumar, Stuti Roy, Shanmuga Priya, Nalia Fatima, Dakshata Rao, Vidya Acharya and Kinjan Mazumdar. To make a note again in category 2, it's been wonderful that 3 students, I would like to heartily congratulate them for their wonderful performance, and especially Vivekanand. Vivekanand, you have scored 125 upon 125 in the very first attempt. However, unfortunately, I would not be able to consider you for a top scorer because you have filled the form on 5th September night. I'm so sorry that you will not be under top awardee, but you have already won. You are already highly successful. Along with Manoj, you've scored 125 upon 125. Hearty congratulations, Vivekanand. Please contact me in WhatsApp or Telegram at 8788382033. However, though you are not winning any award, you would be getting your e-certificate and you have got an appreciation that is more than enough and you have understood where you stand. Along with Vivekanand, there are also other 2 people in category 2 who have done wonderful job, but they have not submitted the form on time, and that is the reason I would not be able to consider them in the award. But I would like to appreciate them and mention their names over here. And they are Abhishek and Kripakaran. Abhishek, you have also done a great job. Kripakaran, you have also done a wonderful job, scoring 115 out of 125. Hearty congratulations to Vivekanand, Abhishek and Kripakaran as well. You've done a wonderful job. However, you're not into top list only because you've not submitted on time. So since being a competition, I'll have to consider and restrict people to the rules and regulations that I've put on. Okay, so now coming back to category 3 students. Category 3 students, please pay attention. Category 3 students, the top scorer again, I'm so happy, Mr. Srisat Ravindra. Srisat Ravindra, you have scored 125 upon 125. I'm so happy. And along with Srisat Ravindra, I also have another scorer over here under category 3, who is Subodhip Shastri. Congratulations to Srisat Ravindra and Subodhip Shastri. And the third participant is Anandita Roy. Anandita Roy, you have also done a wonderful job, scoring 120 upon 125. Hearty congratulations. And rest of the winners are as follows. Yes, Srisat Ravindra, Subodhip Shastri, Anandita Roy, Amol Balasaheb. I'm so sorry, Amol Balasaheb. Amol Balasaheb has also scored 125 upon 125. The beauty of this is, people who have scored 125 upon 125, the competition started at 4 p.m. And those who have scored 125 upon 125, they have answered all the 25 questions less than 15 minutes to 20 minutes. And they have submitted their forms within 20 minutes, they are able to complete it. You're going to really reach success in your life. All the very best to those who have scored 120 upon 125, 120 upon 125 under category 3, because this category 3 questions are section B of CSCR net based questions. All the very best, and let me continue the list of all other winners under category 3. So Mr. Srisat Ravindra, Amol Balasaheb, who's also scored 125 upon 125, Subodhit Shastri, Shrikant Vallabh, Ananditha Roy, and I have over here Kushbu Rathore, Angira Saha. Then I have over here Anjali Prajapati, Abdullah Khan, Kamalini Banerjee, Bhagwat Dhondiram. So let me repeat all the list once again. Srisat Ravindra, Amol Balasaheb, Subodhit Shastri, Ananditha Roy, Shrikant Vallabheni. Shrikant Vallabheni is also scored 110 out of 125 and submitted the form within 20 minutes, 420, right? Then comes, next scorer is Kushbu Rathore. Then comes Angira Saha, Anjali Prajapati, Abdullah Khan, Kamalini Banerjee, and Bhagwat Dhondiram. All these are the winners of Category 3. Hearty congratulations once again to all Category 3 participants, because this is something a great achievement, as these questions belong to Section B of CSIR Net based. So all of you have a bright chance to win CSIR Net, either LS or JARF. So please gear up and try to prepare for CSIR Net LS. And to add a note over here, from October 1st, IABM starts a crash course on CSIR Net Life Sciences with just rupees 6,500 only. For those who wanted to register for the crash course CSIR Net Life Sciences with very affordable price of only 6,500, I request all of you to contact me or WhatsApp me at 8788382033, or you can also send your query by induonlinebio@gmail.com, or your query into Telegram IABM Online Bio. And not only that, along with this, we are also giving free mock test, weekly test till your exams are over. That is also including with this 6,500. So please do call us. Already there are registrations joined for CSIR Net LS, which we are starting from 1st October. So do contact me if you are interested to join the crash course in a very comfortable, affordable and attainable price. So all the very best and congratulations to Category 3 students. Now coming to Category 4. Since in Category 4 we had very less participants, I have only chosen top 5 categories and the names are over here. Category 4, first prize goes to Surodip Sadhu Khan. Surodip Sadhu Khan, Trisha Bhattacharya, Rebhanta Mandal, Ronit Bose, Debasmita Chakraborty. These are the top 5 categories under Category 4. I'll repeat the prize winners of Category 4. Surodip Sadhu Khan, Trisha Bhattacharya, Rebhanta Mandal, Ronit Bose and Debasmita Chakraborty. These are the 5 winners under Category 4. All the very best and hearty congratulations. Please do contact me at my number 8788382033, either WhatsApp or Telegram. Please do not call me. Category 5, coming to the last category, Category 5 faculty members. Again, we have not got much participants under Category 5, though more than 200 participants have registered for the quiz competition under Category 5. We got only 54 quiz results, and among the 54 we have chosen only those who have done fairly enough. That is why we have chosen only 5 top categories, and under Category 5 the top winners are as follows. First prize goes to Ms. Manikanta Sai. Manikanta Sai, hearty congratulations. Mr. Manikanta Sai has scored 125 upon 125, top scorer, full mark, and all the very best. And this particular person has scored 125 upon 125. And next top scorer under Category 5 is Atish Srimad under Arts and Science. Atish is the second prize, and third prize goes to Jamia Hamdard. Okay, I'm so sorry. We also have another top scorer, which is Dr. Mohammad Ashraf. Dr. Mohammad Ashraf has also done a great job. But again, Dr. Mohammad Ashraf is submitted late, and that is the reason I am considering him under 6th place. Dr. Mohammad Ashraf is scored 120 upon 125, which is at 5 PM, which is away from the timing. That is the reason I am ranking you in the last. So the top scorers would be as follows: Manikanta Sai, Atish, and then comes Jamia Hamdard, and fourth comes Nabil Biran Abdul, and then comes Soratha from SCCT College. Yes, and the last goes to Dr. Mohammed Ashraf. I'll repeat category 5 students, all faculties, Manikanta Sai, Atish, Nabil, Bhiran, and Sauratha. And then comes Manikanta, Atish, Nabil, Jamia, Hamdar, and Dr. Mohammed Ashraf. So these are the top 5 people or top 5 category under faculty members. I hope I'm clear over here. I've announced all the results. For those who are not sure, or for those who already know your score and who are awaiting your results, please give a pause to this particular video and listen to it. And those who have queries, kindly contact me once again. For those who have attended multiple times, we've only selected the first top scorer. Rest of it, even if you have scored out of 4, it's not considered because you already know your answer once you give a first attempt. So that's very important to stick to the rules and regulations, and you're not supposed to attend the second time. Anyways, to improve your score, you can attend. For those who are watching this video for the first time and you have not taken up the quiz is open till now without any competition or without any e-certificate. Still, to test your knowledge, you can get into the description box of the previous video and analyze yourself by registering yourself into different categories and start taking up the Google form quiz test. So once again, hearty congratulations to all the participants. And now coming to award. The 2 awards are going to be given to all the winners. The first award, I have written a poetry book on melting moments of life. So every one of you who have won is going to get this poetry book, Melting Moments of Life. Please do contact me for getting the same. And this is going to be a poetry which is about melting moments of life. Is like it's a combination of different poems which will definitely add life to your life. And second award which you people are going to get is all participants who are into the quiz and who are awardees can get into any of my micro mastery course, which each subject is for 600, but all the winners can take up the micro mastery course for just rupees 400. From 1st October, we are also coming out with a lot of micro mastery courses in different subjects, and these micro mastery courses, you're going to get certificate. It's a 1-month course. It's like, for example, cell biology, stem cell biology, cancer biology, molecular biology, genetics, evolution, and so on and so forth. Many different specific subject oriented micro mastery courses are going to be open for you from 1st October. And all this is for just rupees 600. It's a 1-month course, and you will be getting multiple videos of weekly sessions, and you can have access to these particular videos 24/7 at your doorsteps. So for the participants or for the winners, you're going to get any of this micro mastery course for just rupees 400. So hurry up, please do contact me for the book as well as the micro mastery course registrations. Once again, hearty congratulations and all the very best, and thank you so much for all the participants to make this event a grand success. And with your support, we would come across with one more competitive program from IABM. With this, I'm signing off. All the very best, good day and bye.